Are you having trouble with your dryer just not drying the way it used to? Well, so are we. Every house is going to be different. Ours vents through the ceiling, so what I'm going to do today is take you up to the attic and we're going to access the dryer vent pipe and we're going to clean it out from ceiling to floor and see if we can't get our dryer off of the struggle bus and back to drying clothes the way it should. What a
Look
mess.
at that.
Unreal. Made me a homemade swab with some towels, broom handle, and duct tape. And we'll see how well this.
Oh yeah, that's more better.
Well, that wasn't too bad, was it? I think we might have done more than just help the dryer off the struggle bus. Definitely took care of a fire hazard that needed to go. If y'all found this informative, entertaining, hopefully it helped you out, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. Y'all be blessed, and I'll see what I can do to find something else to post. Take care.